go here. Owie, owie, owie.
Careful, you gotta be careful with tools.
Oh, hurt my finger. Wait, I gotta check if my thumb is okay.
How
It's
is it?
okay.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Because I'd be in a lot of trouble if it wasn't.
It's okay. I'm glad that was okay. You'd like a boo-boo, but wasn't.
Whoa, that whole thing came off.
Gosh.
Wow, hold it, let me see.
Oh my God.
Ella, you
whoa,
knocked the whole
Ella.
thing off.
I want.
Look at how Ella's
Oh,
got in the
you're
bucket
strong.
there.
Oh my gosh.
You are so strong.
Yeah. Guess what I practice on holding?
What?
The heaviest thing in my house.
Ooh, that's
It
good.
was the blanket holder.
Yeah.
And it was. Which one do I do next?
I don't know. What do you think?
Do this one, do these couple right here.
I don't think it's a little. This one.
Start on the high one, the one that's higher.